In this Black Falcon drone review, I'm going to be going through each step you'll go through once you have the drone to setting it up and then flying it, and giving you my thoughts on this product. But I have to give you a warning here. This is one of the most ripped off drones on the market at the moment. So be careful where you get it from, as there is a lot of crappy knockoffs out there. I put a link below in the description where you can get a genuine model and at a discounted price. So keep that in mind. Anyway, with that out of the way, let's get into this. When you get the Black Falcon drone delivered and you open the box, everything is contained in a small compact bag, which is great for portability. This obviously includes the drone unit, the remote control, the USB cable, and additional accessories, which includes the protection guards and spare propellers. First things first, you should charge the Black Falcon 4K drone unit. This will take around an hour to charge. To do that, you just remove the battery from the rear, then connect the included USB cable to the charging port and the other end into a USB power source. While the drone is charging, you can set up the remote control. Now, this is the only thing that isn't included with the drone, and that's the 3 AA batteries. So you'll need to make sure you have those available. When the Falcon drone is fully charged, the light will turn off. Then it's time to attach the propeller guards. These will keep the drone safe from obstacles. They take just seconds to snap on. Some people don't like using these for whatever reason, but they really are something essential and are definitely recommended to use. Next up, use your phone to scan the QR code from the manual and install the app on either your Apple or Android device. Now you are pretty much all set up. All you need to do now is take the drone out to the space you want to fly it. When you are there, place your phone in the holder part of the remote control. Ensure the drone is turned on and the remote control also. Then you just need to pair your phone with the aircraft, which is super simple to do. And that's it. Now just use the remote control to guide the drone and you're up and flying. The Black Falcon 4K drone is a really solid unit. It has all the things that you would expect from a high-end model for a fraction of the cost, especially with the added discount. The thing I like most about it is that it's super easy to set up and even easier to fly. It makes crystal clear photos and the videos, which can be shot at 10p, 2K and 4K. It's super silent while flying, and because of its tiny size, it's perfect to take on trips and whatever adventures you find yourself going on. Now, if you want to get a genuine Black Falcon drone at a highly discounted price, then click the link below this YouTube video in the description and you'll be taken to the best place to purchase it. Or you can instead go to habitcast.com/falcon. Thanks for checking out this Black Falcon drone review and happy flying.